Hello, friends. So what's going on? Have you ever thought of what the world will seem like 10, 20, or even 50 years from now? Will we live in a fully automated world, or will technology become so advanced that it's unrecognizable to us today? Take a look at this video. In this video, I have discussed 7 mind-blowing concepts of the future that could drastically change how we live. Stay tuned. The future is always a mystery, but certain concepts have the potential to change the way we live in ways that we can't even imagine. Here are some mind-blowing concepts of the future that will change the way we live. Number 1. Autonomous vehicles. We are on the cusp of a transportation revolution. Within the next few years, we will see the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles. These self-driving cars will transform the way we live, work, and play. The benefits of autonomous vehicles are numerous. They will improve safety on our roads, reduce traffic congestion, and cut emissions. Moreover, they will provide greater mobility for those who cannot drive. The advent of autonomous vehicles will also profoundly impact the economy. Jobs will be created in vehicle maintenance, data analysis, and mapping. New businesses and industries will spring up to support this new technology. So what does the future hold for autonomous vehicles? We can only imagine. But one thing is sure, they are going to change the way we live in a big way. Number 2. Robotics and artificial intelligence. We already talked many times how the robotics and AI, the artificial intelligence, is capturing our daily life routine. The robotics and artificial intelligence are 2 of the most mind-blowing concepts of the future that will change how we live. Robotics are the group of engineering that deals with the construction, design, operation, and application of robots. Artificial intelligence is a computer science that deals with the ability of computers to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, like visual perception, natural language processing, and decision-making. There are many ways in which robotics and AI will change the way we live. For one, they will increase our efficiency and productivity in our personal and professional lives. For example, imagine never having to worry about doing the dishes or vacuuming your home again because you have a robot to do it for you. Or imagine being able to get through your workday without ever having to talk to another person because you have an artificial intelligence assistant to handle all your communication for you. In addition to increasing our efficiency, robotics and artificial intelligence will also help us become more knowledgeable and well-rounded individuals. For instance, robots can teach us new skills or help us learn further information more quickly and effectively than we could on our own. And by using artificial intelligence to process vast amounts of data, we can gain insight into complex problems that we would never be able to figure out on our own. Ultimately, robotics and artificial intelligence will change the way we live by making us more efficient. Number 3. 3D printing. 3D printing is making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. The creation of a 3D printed object is used in many processes, where successive layers of material are laid down in different types of shapes. The 3D printing is the opposite of subtractive manufacturing, where it involves taking away materials to create an object. This 3D printing technology has been around since the 1980s, but it was only recently that the technology became more widely available and affordable for consumers. One of the great benefits of 3D printing is its versatility. Almost any shape or form can be created using this technology. This means that designers and engineers are no longer limited by traditional manufacturing methods when developing new products. Another advantage of 3D printing is that it can create complex structures that would otherwise be impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. This includes medical implants, eyeglass frames, and aircraft parts. 3D printing is also much faster than traditional manufacturing methods, and it can be done using a wide range of materials, plastics, metals, and even human cells. Number 4. Virtual reality and augmented reality. The virtual reality and augmented reality are rapidly evolving technologies and offer vast potential to change how we work, live, and play. At the same time, VR immerses users in a simulated environment. Both VR and AR have been used extensively in gaming and entertainment. But there are many other potential applications for these technologies. For example, VR could be used for training in medicine or aviation. AR could provide information about products in a retail setting or give directions in an unfamiliar place. The possibilities for VR and AR are endless, and these technologies will likely have a profound impact on our lives in the years to come. Number 5. Renewable energy sources. The world is facing a major energy crisis, with the increasing demand for renewable energy and the depletion of non-renewable sources such as coal and oil. This is why shifting our focus to renewable energy sources is more important than ever. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power are infinite and sustainable. They don't emit harmful greenhouse gases or pollute the environment. This makes them a much cleaner and safer option for our planet. Wind turbines are one of the most popular forms of renewable energy, generating power by harnessing the wind. Similarly, solar panels use the energy from the sun to generate electricity. Hydroforce is caused by the point of moving water, while geothermal energy is generated by the heat of the Earth's core. Not only are renewable energy sources better for the environment, but they're also cost-effective in the long run. The cost of renewable energy has gone down significantly in recent years, making it a more affordable option for households and businesses. Governments and businesses worldwide are also investing heavily in renewable energy as they recognize its potential to provide clean and sustainable energy for generations to come. Number 6. Hyperloop transportation technology. In the future, we can travel in a Hyperloop. This would involve using a tube to transport people or goods at high speeds. The technology is still in development, but it has the potential to revolutionize transportation. The Hyperloop would use a combination of electric motors, magnets, and air compressors to propel capsules through specially built tubes. It could reach speeds of up to 700 miles per hour and potentially reduce travel times between cities by several hours. The technology is still in its infancy, but if it works as planned, it could revolutionize transportation worldwide. Not only would it make commuting more accessible and more efficient, but it could also open up entirely new routes for transportation that were previously impossible. Number 7. Smart cities and digital infrastructure. With the increasing population and urbanization, cities face many challenges, such as traffic congestion, waste management, and energy efficiency. This is why the concept of smart cities is becoming more crucial. A smart city uses technology and data to improve the quality of life for the citizen, making it more sustainable, efficient, and livable. This includes intelligent traffic systems, efficient waste management, and renewable energy sources. Digital infrastructure plays a critical role in creating smart cities. This includes things like high-speed internet, IoT devices, and data centers. These technologies allow cities to collect and analyze data, making it possible to make informed decisions and implement solutions to their challenges. Another critical aspect of smart cities is citizen engagement. These cities can involve citizens in decision-making processes and gather feedback on various issues. This leads to more democratic and transparent governance. That's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning about these 7 mind-blowing concepts of the future that will change our lives. It's exciting to think about all the possibilities that technology and innovation bring, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Remember, the future is constantly evolving, and it's up to us to shape it in the best way possible. Let me know in the below comment which sources you like the most. Let's continue to be curious. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell for all future video updates. So it's now time to say bye.